If you are looking to boost visibility for your products on Amazon, then in this video I'm going to talk about a hack which is so simple and so basic that you can easily get it done. I'm Shaival. I am the co-founder of Your Seller. We are a team of Amazon experts and we help sellers grow their business on Amazon and at the same time be profitable. So a lot of times our clients have this question on how to improve the visibility of your products quickly and that too without spending ad money. Now there are obviously a lot of areas within the listing that you can optimize, whether it is the titles, the creatives, or maybe the A+ content. But there is one area which is often overlooked and a lot of sellers don't know about. It is how to make your products eligible to appear in searches where a customer searches via filters. Now, typically a customer is only going to use a generic search term to formulate their search query, and then they are going to use some specific filters to kind of make a buying decision. Let's say, for example, if someone searches for chocolate, then in this case, you can see on the left, there are certain filters which are really, really obvious, which is like brand or category that obviously would have been filled in the backend. But then there are also filters like item type or form or occasion, which though are available fields in the backend, but then a lot of times they are not even filled out. When this happens, your product doesn't become eligible for these filtered queries and your product basically won't even show up. Now, coming to the big question, where can you go and basically add these? This can be found under the listing quality dashboard, which can be found under the catalog section in Seller Central. It's a page where you can see multiple suggestions that Amazon has in order for you to add relevant information for fields which Amazon thinks are important for your product. Now, in this particular case, for this ASIN, as you can see, there are a couple of fields for form and item type. As soon as I'll go ahead and add relevant fields to these specific areas, Amazon will make my product eligible if someone uses filters for these same specific fields. So the idea is that you want to eliminate as many chances of having your product not shown on these kind of filtered search queries, because as much as you try spending ad money after building the visibility of your product, if certain basics like these are not managed, then you lose out on potential sales and the opportunity to reach out to more buyers. The idea is to find things like these which are not very obvious, but at the same time have a really big impact on your organic sales and ranking. And we want to capitalize on those sooner than later. These are the kind of things that we consult with our clients on. And so if you are looking for any help within Amazon for optimizing your listings or just anything within the Amazon ecosystem, do reach out to us on contact@yourseller.in and we'll be happy to take you on as a client. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.